Hello, Ma'am and Sir. I am Elma Tugade, 53 years old. I have 5 siblings, and my mother is a housewife. My working experience are in Hong Kong, Taiwan, and now in Singapore. Here in Singapore, I worked for almost 10 years, or maybe it's more than 10 years. And my first employer, I finished my contract. I took care of 3 adults, the mother and the 2 children. Then my duties are mainly the cleaning and cooking for them, especially at dinner time and Chinese food. My second employer here was Chinese also, Chinese Singaporean, and they have twins. When I joined with them, the twins are 4 years old. Then after after maybe 4 years, my employer have a newly born baby. So I stay with them for 8 years. Then my main duties are taking care of infant, the kids, child minding, cooking for them, household chores, and playing with the kids like that. All then do the household chores. Now I'm working with a French family, and we live in a landed house. I do the same child minding because the kids are 11 and 13, and my main duties are cleaning, sometimes gardening, cooking, and household chores. I hope you will choose me and hire me as your helper. And thank you.